Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. Fidget things are the coolest right now. I almost said all the rage, but then that makes me old. But anyway, these are from the Sky Letty store, and what I love about them is they come in so many different styles. The kids have a blast with them because it's a multi-pack, easy to share. Always a bonus when you have multiple kids. They come in such a nice variety of colors. They flip and fold them, and really it's a help to slow their brain down or allow their body to catch up to their brain. Our kids love playing with these on the bus and exchanging them with friends. Great for sharing with friends or siblings. Hopefully your little ones are occupied for hours on end, whether it's in the car or it's just time to wind down before bed so they can go to sleep. My kids love them. Look how soothing that is. But that's just my point of view.